Hello dear students, welcome to your geography class. We are doing chapter 15 pollution types and sources. This is second and final video of the chapter. Radiation pollution. Radiation pollution is the emission of highly charged particles and electromagnetic rays entering the Earth's atmosphere from outer space. Nuclear power plants, transport and disposal of nuclear waste, mining of radioactive substances, fallout of bomb explosions, nuclear weapons, testing of nuclear devices and nuclear accidents, etc. are major sources of radiation pollution. I hope you already know some of the radioactive elements like uranium and thorium, which are the major cause of radiation pollution. So radiation pollution occurs through nuclear power plants where uranium, thorium, etc. are used for power generation, and also from bomb explosions like the nuclear bombs were dropped over the cities of Nagasaki and Hiroshima in 1945 during Second World War. These sources cause permanent damage to life and property. A nuclear reactor accident took place in 1986 in Chernobyl, Ukraine. So there was a blast in the nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is used to generate nuclear power from uranium or thorium like elements. So it happened in 1986 in Chernobyl, Ukraine. At that time Chernobyl was a part of USSR. Now it is part of Ukraine, which killed 31 people and forced more than 2 lakh people to vacate and relocate. If you follow the news, then you may have known that during this year also there was a fire at Chernobyl, alright, which further increases the bad impact of this radiation pollution. Sources of radiation pollution may be natural or man-made. Natural sources are cosmic rays emit radioactive radiation, which is very harmful for living organisms. It pollutes life-supporting systems like air, water and soil. Then there are man-made sources like waste water from nuclear power stations, waste generated during nuclear weapon testing, mining and processing of uranium ore. Uranium is a radioactive element. Waste from research laboratories where radioisotopes are used. Waste generated from hospitals where isotopes are used for diagnostic and therapeutic purposes. X-rays waste, nuclear accidents and nuclear bomb explosions, and radio tracers extensively used in medicine. Our last topic, noise pollution. With increasing population, urbanization and industrialization, noise pollution is a serious form of pollution affecting the human life, their health and comfort in daily life. Urbanization means movement of people from rural areas to cities. Any sound that causes annoyance is regarded as noise and is considered as a source of pollution. Sound level of about 80 decibels cause noise pollution. In the picture you can see loudspeaker cause noise pollution, and the picture on the left hand side, far left side, there is an aeroplane which is also source of noise pollution. Noise pollution is a problem that is prevented mainly in cities and which is prevalent mainly in cities and towns. People in and around cities are exposed to loud noises most of the time. The noise comes from things such as aeroplanes, trains, automobiles, loudspeakers, high-pitched music, firecrackers, construction projects and industries. The noise causes discomfort in human beings. In extreme cases, loud noises can also damage hearing or even causes deafness. So they can make human beings deaf. So they also create a very unpleasant and irritating atmosphere. If one is forced to live along loud noises for a long time, it may cause serious diseases. It can also increase blood pressure. It can also causes ulcers. It can also causes palpitation and fatigue. Fatigue means thakavat, headache, and also nausea or vomiting. The mental disorders caused by noise pollution are anxiety, depression, irritability, and tension. So what are the sources of noise pollution? We already know that noise from horns of the buses, trucks, cars and scooters, and the noise of jet planes, then machines in factories, whistling sounds, crashing noise, thunder. So these all are noise sources of noise pollution, and also loudspeakers, bands, music, and mining activities. Blasting of rocks and the drilling tube wells, ventilation fans, earth moving machinery. Heavy earth moving machinery means very large trucks and the trailers, and also noise from construction site, which adds to the noise pollution. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you so much.